Hey all, welcome back to my channel. A garnish with a spicy kick and lemony flavor topped over spicy fried eggs is my recipe video on my channel for today. It's an egg chaat recipe which is very simple and quick to make. This can be served as an evening snack or as a starter. I hope you like this recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. To marinate the eggs, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 big pinch of red chili powder, 2 big pinch of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, a big pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to give the spices and corn flour a good mix. Add water little at a time to mix the corn flour with the spices and ginger garlic paste and to form a nice thin marinade. Adding more water to adjust the consistency, we need to ensure that the marinade is thin and not thick. Now the marinade is ready. Here I have boiled 4 eggs and cut them into half. Now dip each piece of egg into the marinade and coat the marinade all over the egg pieces. Keep them aside on a plate. Repeat the same with all the egg pieces. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of water into the marinade that is remaining and pour it all over the eggs. Now our eggs are coated well with the marinade and I'm not going to allow it to rest more than 5 minutes. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated eggs. I'm first placing the yolk side onto the pan, adding some curry leaves for some extra flavor. Now fry the eggs on each side till they get a nice golden crisp color. Once done, with the help of a spatula, I'm going to move the eggs a little so that it's easy for me to turn them over to the other side. Let me show you how well it's fried. This is the color that I am looking for while frying the eggs. Now turn over the eggs to the other side and fry them till they get a nice light golden brown color. Give the pan a shake so that the eggs do not get caught at the bottom of the pan. Once the eggs are fried on the other side, I am going to turn them over and see if it's well fried. This is what I am looking at the other side too. So once the eggs are done, I am going to turn off the flame. To garnish, I have finely chopped 1 onion, 1 green chili and few coriander leaves. Into this I am going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper powder and few drops of lemon juice, giving it a good mix. Now let's dish the eggs from the pan. Arrange the eggs onto the serving plate as per your liking. And I'm going to top these eggs over the spicy and lemony flavored garnish that we just made before. So here is my recipe of making an egg chaat recipe that's very simple and quick to make, which can be also served as an evening snack or as a starter. I hope you liked this recipe of mine. If yes, please do give this video a like. Subscribe for more easy, simple and quick recipes. Take care. Bye-bye.